SKILT Internet of Things Shanghai Company Ltd. located in international metropolis, Shanghai. Focus on full automatic labeling system research and development with 15 years experience. Provide high-quality products and services to domestic and foreign customers. Has a good reputation in the labeling industry. SKILT International Sales Department is separate with factory, located in the Shanghai downtown. 2 big factories with manufacturing shop assemble workshop. Finishing room, warehouse for about 5,000 meters. The R&D department already with 10 technical research staffs in 4 groups. Each group in charge of 1 order throughout the whole production process. Make sure the production quality and date of delivery. Have import and export rights authorized by China government. Customers all over the world, like Europe, US, Middle East, Southeast Asia, and South America. Familiar with international standards such as CE and UL certification. SKILT core products including automatic labeling system for different kinds products, online printing labeling system, online variable code printing systems, production management and product quality traceability system, RFID application labeling system, automated packaging overall solution. Also have reached a strategic cooperative relationship with German Avery Company and become Avery exclusive agency in China with rather high competitive advantage. Actually, almost all the SKILT labeling machine need customized depends on client different labeling requirement, so we now have about 10 kinds patents. During the SKILT's 15 years history, we only product the machine about labeling system. Because concentration's so professional, we hope SKILT can be your most trusted partner.